iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, which in our opinion is the best robot vacuum available on the market in 2022. This is a robot vacuum cleaner that does not need Alexa to be the smartest on the market. It's able to learn, suggest names, and avoid unexpected obstacles. This robot vacuum cleaner includes intelligent camera navigation and a self-discharge system. And although it's compatible with Alexa, it's not necessary. The robot vacuum cleaner comes with 2 filters, 2 bags for the discharge station, and a spare side brush. It's quite comprehensive. iRobot has also done a lot of aesthetic work on automatic garbage collecting. It takes up much less space and height than the previous version and can easily be placed under a coffee table or a piece of furniture that offers at least 35 centimeters of space. The Roomba J7 Plus is equipped with a front camera that it uses to navigate and identify obstacles. iRobot explains that the robot sees better at the ground level and detects obstacles more efficiently, especially cables. Speaking of targeting, it is possible to add areas for cleaning or ignore areas. The Roomba J7 uses precision vision technology to respond in real time to obstacles it detects along the way. iBot can recognize cables, as well as possible animal excrement, among other things. With each cleaning task, J7 Plus photographs all the unknown obstacles it may have encountered. The iRobot Home app also offers a 2-mode scheduling feature. Manual mode allows you to define the hours and frequency of cleaning days of the week. The automatic mode starts cleaning as soon as you leave the house, based on the geolocation of the mobile phone. One last important note, when the battery is empty, the J7 Plus returns to base for recharging before continuing to clean where it left off. Its 2 multi-surface brushes are height adjustable, allowing the robot to easily adapt to changes in the surface between hard floors and carpets. The device provides 60 days of battery life by storing dirt in an allergen-free disposable bag. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. If you're looking for a product that'll help you save money and at the same time provide quite a solid performance, we say check out the iLife A9, the best budget robot vacuum available on the market in 2022. At first glance, the iLife A9 looks a bit like other robotic vacuum cleaners we've seen. Simple round body, 1 control knob, detachable side brushes for easy edge cleaning, and a simple charging station. The A9 is equipped with large tracked wheels that allow it to overcome small obstacles and thresholds when cleaning. This robotic vacuum cleaner also has 2 main brush options, one that is basically a rubber roller and another that has more traditional hair. This gives you the flexibility to change brushes depending on whether you're cleaning carpet, wood, tiles, or other surfaces. The A9 has a large 600 milliliter bucket, which is made with a smart cell and cylindrical structure. This design creates a mini cyclone system that not only helps with strong suction, but also channels dirt and dust in a way that ensures that all debris is trapped inside and only the clean air passes through the high-performance filter. Setting up the iLife A9 robotic vacuum cleaner is a relatively simple process. Turn on the docking station, plug in the robot, turn it on, pair it with the app, and leave. In most cases, cleaning is usually done in automatic mode. You can set a timer in the app or via remote control to send a bot to this type of cleaning every day at a specific time. You can use other cleaning methods as needed. For example, setting the A9 to clean the edges of the room or perform cleaning on the spot in a particularly dirty area. When it comes to cleaning, the iLife A9 is pretty much what you'd expect at this price. It does a decent job of vacuuming dirt and dust from the whole house. The Cyclone vacuum system, combined with large replaceable brushes, helps pick up a good amount of waste as it moves. Thumbs up. Up next, check out the Eufy Robovac G30, aka the best value robot vacuum in 2022. This model combines the advantages of a compact format that can go anywhere and intelligent advanced navigation to optimize cleaning. This model is only 12 inches in diameter and 3 inches thick, so it's thin enough to fit under the vast majority of furniture and sofas, and that's important to consider when buying a robotic vacuum cleaner. The Eufy Robovac G30 is compact and beautiful with quality materials and a neat finish, glazed surfaces, and an easy-to-remove dust container. In front, there's a rubber band and a system of spring bumpers to cushion the collision. At the top of the vacuum cleaner are 3 buttons with light blue visual indicators, plus a 4th indicator above the demarcated area that indicates a connection to the Wi-Fi network. Buttons allow you to manually start cleaning or return the robot to the base, but you can also do this from a smartphone or voice command. The installation takes about 10 minutes. After the stand is installed and the robot vacuum cleaner is ready, just turn it on and place it on the base to charge. The Eufy Robovac G30 is equipped with speech functionality and it's able to inform you by voice about what it's doing. Start cleaning, blocking problems, return to basic charging, and more. Smart Dynamic Navigation 2.0 navigation technology does not have laser precision, but it's still very powerful. Gyroscopic with 9 infrared sensors and tracking sensors. The result is quite impressive. Its large serrated wheels allow it to go almost anywhere. It's not afraid of carpets or thresholds, and it mostly manages to get out of any difficult passages. The battery is more than enough for most homes unless your interior is really large, so it doesn't need to be charged during cleaning and is ready without worries the next morning if you want to use it every day. For the listed price, you can't beat this guy. If you don't hesitate to spend a few dollars more to enjoy the luxury performance, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is the right choice for you. The best high-end robot vacuum in 2022. The S9 Plus shows many top-level features and a new D-shaped design. The latest addition to iRobot benefits from a mapping system called vSlam that allows the robot to recognize all the rooms in the house. Finally, there's an automatic drainage system installed on a robot charging base that was introduced on the Roomba i7 and i7 Plus. For good reason, it has a D-shape, not a circular one, as is the case with the rest of the band. The choice is not only aesthetic, but also allows you to walk along the walls and reach all corners of the house. S9 Plus sports a plastic casing. On the hood, the copper halo is almost reminiscent of collectible vinyl. Additionally, this vacuum cleaner integrates the camera into the housing, not the outside, to save space. In addition to the room mapping camera, the S9 Plus is also equipped with the obstacle sensors to avoid hitting walls too much or sucking on cables or socks. There are 3 physical buttons on its shell. The clear button, which allows you to start or turn off the device, but also reset the vacuum cleaner. The spot button allows cleaning in a very precise area. Finally, the home button allows you to return the vacuum cleaner to the charging base. The application has not changed at all since the release of i7 Plus and is equally ergonomic and intuitive. Setup is fast. Once the robot is connected, the app offers many great features. This Roomba offers 3 types of cleaning: thorough for deep cleaning, quiet with low power to keep it as quiet as possible, and personalized, which allows you to adjust the power as desired. When the map is complete, you need to go to the Smart Map tab, which allows you to create virtual barriers, name rooms, and even create zones in each room. When the battery is empty, it automatically returns to the base to be charged before continuing operation. It takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes to fully charge the S9 Plus. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. After all the reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to the unanimous conclusion that Roborock S7 Plus is the best robot vacuum available on the market in 2022. The S7 Plus cleaning plate now vibrates with sound vibrations. How does that work? Well, like our sonic toothbrushes, a motor that runs up to 3,000 RPM oscillates the middle part of the cleaning plate. The company explains that the pressure on the ground has almost doubled compared to what, for example, the Roborock S5 Mac is capable of. Even better, this system is motorized and able to lift the cloth to get over the rugs and carpets without getting them wet. Great, isn't it? Also, there's a multitude of sensors, as many as 14, for navigation and a laser rangefinder called PresiSense LiDAR, which allows the robot to accurately map its environment and perform millimeter movements. If you know the brand, you know they're good at it. Next, we find 2 drive points whose movement will allow the robot to overcome obstacles up to an inch. Next to the right wheel, the side brush is still fine. As you know, it allows the vacuum robot to expel the most stubborn dirt and has several rotation speeds adapted to the type of soil, up to 1350 RPM. Another novelty concerns the central brush. Roborock abandoned the traditional soft bristles and provided a silicone roller. An advantage? This allows the robot to block less by inadvertently sucking on wires or other objects lying around, but it especially makes it much more efficient on carpets or even with animal hair. We're also familiar with the dust container. With a capacity of 470 milliliters, it is not the largest but remains an industry standard. The brand is announcing up to 6 weeks of battery life, which we think is fair. Let's get to the key point: suction power. Capable of treating an area of approximately 100 meters squared in 1 hour, the Roborock S7 Plus engine generates a 2500 PA vacuum. This is a gain of 25% compared to the S6, and it just feels like it's in use. With this product, you will get premium performance and high durability, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.